Welcome back. The time's now 9:46. We all know how magnets work, but electromagnets are made of coils of wire with electricity passing through them. Chris Charles with STEM Nola, an Athos Academy student, and Chris's daughter, Camryn Charles, join us this morning to show us how to make one. Chris and Camryn, good morning.
Good morning.
And happy early Father's Day to you, Chris. This is a fun Father's Day invention of a STEM Nola experiment we have going on here. So show us how these are made exactly, or what's the science behind electromagnets?
Yes, ma'am. So, Cameron, today we're going to be building what exactly?
Electromagnet.
Electromagnets. And what are some of the supplies we would need from around the house to grab these?
Our copper wire, our big battery,
So we need a C or a D battery.
and our paper clip.
And the last thing,
And our last thing, a big battery.
no, the screw.
Big screw.
So for the screw or bolt, we need to make sure that it is steel or iron, because we tried with aluminum, and aluminum does not conduct electricity as well. So it'll work better if you have a steel or iron bolt. And all of these things are things that we can find in Dad's toolbox. So that's a nice little Father's Day plug. So what's the first steps we have to do, Cameron?
First, we wrap the copper wire around the big screw.
So this one has already been coiled, so we're just going to slide it on. But when you're starting off, you want to take your copper wire and then wrap it around your bolt or your screw as many times as possible. All right, Cameron, what's our next step?
Then we grab our big battery, and then we attach one part to the top. Then we attach the other part to the bottom.
So we want to attach our copper wire to the positive and the negative force on the battery to create that electrical force, the electrical current, I'm sorry. And now our magnet should be strong enough to pick up a single paper clip.
Ooh, very cool. And as you guys
So
mentioned,
Cameron, what happened if...
I was just going to say really quick. I was going to say really quickly, as you mentioned, all those tools are stuff that you likely have around the house or in a toolbox. But go ahead, and you're going to have Camryn explain some more stuff for us.
Yes, ma'am. Because of all of the power for the electric magnetic current is coming from the battery, Cameron, if we remove the battery, what's going to happen?
The paper clip will fall straight off.
So once we remove our power source, we lost all of our magneticism. Can't say that word, but
No, you're doing great. And Chris and Camryn, really cool experiment that parents can do with their kids, that dads can do with their kids, especially this weekend. Do you have any other events coming up that people should know about as far as STEM Saturdays are concerned?
yes, ma'am. So we still have registration open for a few camps throughout the city. And then next month, coming up in July, we have STEM Saturday, which is actually a rocket day, where the students will be able to build and shoot actual rockets.
And I know there's, again, a lot happening on that STEM Saturday. You mentioned the summer camps. Where can people go for kind of a lot of different information? Information on this experiment you all just did, on the camps, and the Saturday, which all the kids love, is when they can build the rockets. Where can they find details on all that stuff?
Yes, ma'am. All of the information for all of our events, from camps to STEM Saturdays, are on our website, stemnola.com. So if you type that in Google, it'll bring you right to our website, and you can find all of our information there.
Chris and Camryn Charles, we appreciate your time this morning. And again, happy Father's Day to you, Chris.
Thank you. Thank you. Appreciate you. You guys have a good one.
All right.